Unlocking the power of thyme, nature's super herb for respiratory health. Thyme is a versatile herb that not only adds flavor to our culinary creations but also offers numerous health benefits. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the incredible power of thyme in fighting respiratory infections. From its potent antimicrobial properties to its ability to soothe coughs and congestion, thyme has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for respiratory health. Join us as we dive into the world of thyme and discover how this super herb can support your respiratory system. Antimicrobial properties of thyme. Thyme contains compounds such as thymol and carvacrol, which exhibit strong antimicrobial activity. These compounds help combat bacteria, viruses, and fungi that can cause respiratory infections. Incorporating thyme into your diet or using it in herbal preparations can help boost your body's natural defense against respiratory pathogens. Thyme tea for respiratory relief. One popular way to harness the benefits of thyme is by preparing thyme tea. Simply steep a few sprigs of fresh thyme or a teaspoon of dried thyme in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and enjoy its soothing aroma and flavor. Drinking thyme tea can help alleviate symptoms of respiratory infections such as cough, congestion, and sore throat. Thyme steam inhalation. Another effective method for utilizing thyme's respiratory benefits is through steam inhalation. Boil a pot of water and add a handful of fresh thyme sprigs or a few drops of thyme essential oil. Lower your face over the pot, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. The aromatic vapors of thyme can help open up your airways, relieve congestion, and promote easier breathing. Thyme-infused honey. Thyme-infused honey is a delightful and effective remedy for respiratory health. Simply combine fresh thyme sprigs with honey in a glass jar and let it infuse for a few weeks. The honey will extract the beneficial compounds from thyme, creating a natural cough syrup. Take a teaspoon of thyme-infused honey as needed to soothe coughs and promote respiratory comfort. Culinary uses of thyme. Incorporating thyme into your everyday cooking can also support respiratory health. Add fresh or dried thyme to your soups, stews, roasted vegetables, or meat dishes. Not only does it enhance the flavor of your meals, but it also imparts its respiratory benefits. Conclusion. Thyme is not just a delightful herb for culinary purposes, it is also a powerful ally in fighting respiratory infections. From its antimicrobial properties to its soothing effects on coughs and congestion, thyme offers a natural and effective solution. Whether you choose to enjoy thyme tea, indulge in thyme-infused honey, or incorporate thyme into your cooking, this super herb can play a vital role in supporting your respiratory system. Embrace the power of thyme and experience the wonders it holds for your respiratory health. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.